Hey everybody, this is Charles Love with ShowTech Solutions. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to handle the ShowTech Avanan quarantined email. So basically, as you can see on my screen, this is an email that you'll get if somebody sends you something that the system deems a security risk. So I wanted to take a minute and just kind of explain how to read this email. So instead of getting the bad email, you get an email that says, hey, we have quarantined something. Now, it's very important to know spam does not get quarantined, junk doesn't get quarantined. Only things that are phishing or deemed a security risk get quarantined. So when you look at this email, the subject will say quarantined and it'll have the actual subject of the actual email. And it'll say, hello, and then it'll give your name. An email has been received that has been quarantined, right? I'm not going to read the whole thing, but you get the idea. The things to be aware of here. This section here will tell you who the sender is. This section here will tell you the subject. And this will tell you why it got quarantined. So as you can see in this case, there's a lot of reasons. And if you are not quite sure or you think it's real and you want us to take a peek, right here where it says, please click here, go ahead and click that, or you can click the link down below. And what that does is that opens up a ticket with the ShowTech team, and one of our techs are going to review it and just see, once in a blue moon, something gets caught incorrectly. And if it is, we'll release it for you and we'll make a rule so that it tries not to happen again. But that's the reason for this quarantine email. Now, the other thing you may notice is every day, usually toward the end of the night, you get a daily report. Now, this daily report will also show you anything that was quarantined. And let's say you were busy and you missed the email before, or you weren't quite sure what it was, you'll get it here as well. And if you'll notice, the request to release action is here. And you can click that link, say, hey, I'm not quite sure what this is, or I know this person, or whatever it is, and then hit submit, and then a ticket will get created, and our team will review the item. Down below, the spam and junk emails, this is just a friendly reminder of all the things that have been moved to your junk. I know not everybody looks at their junk every day, and so this is a way just to say, hey, this is what came in. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Again, this is Charles at ShowTech Solutions. Have a great day, guys. Bye.